是天向晚。
Mary smiled and nodded. The collie birds returned to their fens, and that night 4 shining stars fell from the sky and softly, gently rested on the pear tree. On the 5th day of Christmas, 5 splendid ring-necked pheasants entered the stable. As they bowed before Jesus, their hearts were filled with the love of God, true love. Their breast feathers swelled with each heartbeat till their white ring-neck turned to gold. Then Mary spoke her riddle.
What are they that are by 5?
5 great books God gave to us: Genesis and Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, tell creation's history.
Mary smiled and nodded. The ring-necked pheasants departed, singing the good news from golden throats. And that night 5 shining stars fell from the sky and softly, gently rested on the pear tree.